actually a little bit late because I got a little buried here in my office, but these are new books that Penguin Random House sent me. Usually they're from Candlewick, though, which must be somehow connected to Penguin Random House. And all these books were on sale on April 16th, so I think today is the 23rd, so I'm a little bit late, but at least we know that they're all available. So that's great. And this box, thank you, is packed by Sharon H. And it is 2 books. So the first book here is Mr. Posey's New Glasses by Ted Kooser, illustrated by Daniel Duncan. And actually, if you think about it, like, I know a lot of kids who wear glasses, including 2 of my own. And you don't really see a lot of picture books on glasses. So I think that alone, just for that theme, is great. And Mr. Posey's feeling gloomy. He might need new glasses. And this is by Candlewick Press. So he looks like he's getting new glasses. I can relate. I have glasses. And if your glasses are old, especially like mine, if they're scratched and always dirty, it does give you a particular outlook on life. And this is a lengthy picture book, so that's one thing I wanted to note. Which means, you know, there's probably more of a story to it. And the illustrations are really kind of cartoon-like, which I think are whimsical and fun. And a diverse character of someone who's going to come with him to pick out glasses, which is always great. And Mr. Posey also is very environmentally friendly, and he upcycles. So here he is shopping at a thrift shop and looking for glasses, all different kinds. I think different glasses conjure up different things. So it is that way, right? Glasses kind of give you a certain look and outlook on life, while he looks for the perfect pair. And, you know, always a happy ending when you get a great pair of glasses. But I don't know what the ending is, I don't want to spoil it, and also I didn't read it. But that looks like a fun story. Maybe for a little bit older, you know, like not 4-year-olds, maybe like 6-year-olds. But I think, or maybe any age as well. And so this one is looks like it's a great bedtime story, Let Me Sleep Sheep by McKinlay, illustrated by Leila Rudge. And I really like how this is sort of reminds me of Juana Medina, like the way she illustrates. It's kind of pencil drawing and a little bit, you know, kind of like doodle-like, which is, I think, very childlike and very appealing. And this is also from Candlewick Press. And here we have sheep. And so, trying to get to sleep, counting sheep. So that's definitely something that kids know about. But in this case, the sheep come to life and get actively involved in this whole bedtime process. And this looks like a really fun, maybe it's a stem. It's definitely almost looks like a party with a sheep. So a bedtime story with sheep who are too entertaining, but looks like it does eventually work. So this looks really fun. And then the end papers on the back are not sheep, they're pigs, so I'm hoping that sets up a sequel. And here we learn more about the author, who is from Australia, and the illustrator who also lives in Australia but is from England.